So right here we have a 2016 Bochet, 3-hour boil, bees flying everywhere. Made this with Georgia Flair. Jeff with Jason were there. And it was a hot boil. I forgot what it was, maybe 275 or 300 or something. Hot day with a lot of bees. Right off the top, I get that squid ink, bloody kind of iron kind of thing going on. You get the same?
Get the iron, yeah.
You got it too? Gravity was about 1140 and finished at about 1020. Taste is a lot less squid ink or iron or blood, whatever you want to define it as, than in the aroma. It's finished well. A lot of dark fruit, plum, fig, some soy sauce to it, little melanoidin, without the melanoidin, a little umami. Here, Jeff.
Getting a little bit of the burn.
You got a little bit of the burn? I got that too. Almost like the currant burn, like black currant burn. We didn't burn the it was hot, but we didn't burn it. But I know what you're saying. But it's 8 years old. It's getting better. But, you know, this is one of the first Bochets I made, and I don't think I'd ever repeat that process again.
What kind of honey?
This was your original wildflower honey, not the purple sage. It was when I first met you, and you came to the club, and it was the first batch I got from regular wildflower.
Out of my backyard.
Probably out of your backyard. However, when I tried the other at our mead tasting 2 weeks ago from your backyard from last spring, it was one of the sexiest honeys I've ever had in my life. I want a pail of that. Seriously.
Next year, if it comes in, or this
Best. It was incredible. Any other comments for the camera?
I'd like it's a little sweeter. The alcohol sweetness is in there,
Yeah.
but it's got just like I say, a little bit of that burn flavor to it. Charcoal kind of residue that leaves a bitterness.
Yeah,
astringent
I agree with
on.
you. For me, 35, 36. For me, 35, 36, the best I could point it.